Hello everybody, my name is Jyoti and today we are going to discuss regarding HTML. So what exactly the HTML is? The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. So whenever the language word comes to picture, we are having list of restrictions or the rules that need to be followed whenever we are writing a program. So even in HTML also we have this list of rules that need to be followed strictly. So all the set of informations, whatever we are adding it, we call them as tags. So tags are having the angle brackets and each and every tag should have an ending angle bracket with a slash. So what is the structure of the HTML program? So whenever you are writing HTML code, we have to start with HTML tag, end with HTML tag, and inside this we will be getting number of other tags. Like we are having head tag, and inside this head tag we can add the title tag. Title tag is the one which is going to show you title within your page. So I'm writing currently welcome to HTML and the title tag. Other than this, what all things I can write? Body tag. So inside the body tag, you can add the form tags, and whatever you are adding it inside the body is going to get displayed in the web page. So all of your HTML files will be maintaining this type of structure, and make sure that you are giving .html as the extension for your file. All of your .html files are getting recognized in the browser, and then you are able to see the result accordingly. So let me open a separate file. Currently I'm working with Notepad++. You can work with any of the other editors like brackets or simply a notepad. Let me create a separate file. I'm going to paste this. I'm currently saving the file within my desktop. Let me open a separate file here and let us start doing the coding. So here I have got HTML header tag, title tag, and in the body tag, let us write something. So how we can write? Using one of the tag called as paragraph tag. So paragraph starts with P and ends with P. So HTML is a markup language, very easy to implement the information using tags. I'll end the paragraph with /p and let me save this file with again a .html. I'm going to give currently as welcome.html. Within Notepad++, we have one of the menu called as run. Currently, I'm clicking on run, and you can see that I can execute this file either in Firefox or Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or Safari. So as per your system, you can check which all browsers you have it, and you can keep on executing this HTML. So the most preferred browser is Google Chrome. Let me click on Launch in Google Chrome. So you can observe the output here. We are getting Welcome to HTML in the heading or as a title, and whatever we have written it using the P, that is getting displayed here. Then suppose if I want to make use of the formatting tags, I can use B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. So whichever words or whichever sentences you want to utilize these formatting tags, you can add them accordingly and execute and see the results. So let me go to the browser and I have refreshed the page. You can see that very is coming in bold letters, implement in italic, information with underline. So you have one more thing called as small. I'm starting one more paragraph here, and in this I'm writing HTML. So small is one of the tag which represents the text as in a very small size. Like this, we are having many of the heading styles. So heading styles starts from H1 till H6. So whatever you are giving it inside the H1 tag till the H6 tag, all are having a predefined font size, and accordingly you will be able to see the result. So let me give HTML again. I'm giving H1 here. I'm adding H1 till H6 so that you can differentiate the sizes which appears for each heading style. Refresh the page. You can see that H1 is the biggest font size. Until H6 you can find that very less font size. So small is having a little bit bigger compared to H6. So after these heading styles and the formatting tags like bold, italic, underline, you have something called as superscripts and subscripts. These also comes with respect to your formatting tags. So superscript starts with sup, and suppose if I am giving 2 raised to 4, if you are giving 2 sup 4 slash sup, it is going to display 2 raised to 4. If you are giving subscript, it will be displayed in the base position, 2 base 2. Then you have got table tags through which you can design the table. So table tags starts with table and ends with a table. Within this, you will be having number of rows as well as columns. So rows will start with TR and columns will start with TD. TR is table row, TD is table definition. So you're going to give all the column headings here inside the TD. I'm giving serial number as well as name. And if I'm going to give the number of rows here, those will represent the records. So here I'm going to provide the records. In this case, I'm adding 2 records, and once I execute this, you can see that the table is currently getting displayed like this. So if you want to put the border, you are having one of the property called as border equal to. You can specify different numbers here. Either you can give the number directly or you can give it within the double quotes. If you are going to give it in bigger size, it will look like 3D object. Let me just decrease the size to 5 itself. So it looks like a table. You have one of the standard property called as color property or BG color property, which is going to apply the different colors. You can apply the colors as the background color for the table. Directly you can write the color name like green, red, blue and other things, or you can apply any of the hexadecimal values. So in this case, I have applied green color, so you can see that green color appears here for the table. Similarly, you can apply it for the body tag also. Suppose I'm going to apply red color here. You can observe that entire page is appearing in red color. So BG color can be applied for body tag as well as table tag. Suppose you want to make serial number and name column in bold letters. You have one of the option called as TH, that is table header. So within this, whenever you are displaying it, it is going to show you serial number and name in bold letters inside the table. If I want to increase the size of my cells, so cells are the intersection of rows as well as columns. So you have few of the options like cell spacing and cell padding. So cell spacing is space between the cells. Cell padding is space inside the cell. You can observe that as I have given 10 by 20, so 10 is the size which is getting displayed over here. The inside text, you can see that it is centralized for the cell because of cell padding. We have list of color formats which are available for HTML, and there are so many different type of dedicated websites like HTML color codes, wherein you can choose the particular colors and you can apply the same within your web page. There are around 16 million combinations which are possible here, and you can choose the different colors. We call this as color picker. So you can click on any of the colors and you can see that the hexadecimal value appears here. If you want this particular color to get applied for your table or the page, you can just copy this and paste it inside the BG color. So once you execute the program, you will be able to see that color here. Inside the table, you can see that the color is getting changed. So we have got HTML color codes. You can keep on applying the direct colors or you can apply the hexadecimal colors. So this is a brief introduction about HTML. HTML is a markup language which contains list of tags. Very interesting features of HTML will help us to design the web pages. You can make good color combinations. You can apply different set of tags to make the entire page attractive. So this is all about HTML. Thank you.